Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson, and I'm back today with another 5 trades. Today's date is December the 11th, and today I was using my HA trigger system. Love it. Very clear signals it gives whether I should be buying, which will be blue, or selling, which will be red. It eliminates all the noise, as I can show you if I switch over to the Pro trigger, for example. As you can see, you see blue and red, and then once you go to the HA candles, it makes it smoother going down. As you can see, all red. So let's see how these trades worked out today. And by the way, it was easy decision making. All I did was looked at the meter, and the meter was stressing highly, indicating that the pound was extremely weak. It went right down to, I think it was 3 here. So once you see that pound very weak, that means all the pound pairs are gonna drop, other than the euro pound, of course, which went up, obviously. So let's see where I got in on this pound Swiss right here. Very clear. Got in as soon as the candle turned from when this candle completed. I just got in the trade and I knew it was going to drop. Took the trade at 7:10 this morning. And all the other trades were very close to 7 a.m. New York time. They were all around the 7 a.m. Exactly the way I love to trade. Get in, make the pips, and finished by 8:30. I used my, by the way, close all script, one click of the mouse, and right to the second, it closed out all of them, bang. Soon as I saw that it went above the 20,000 here, I just clicked, locked in all the money right away. All the pips, all the money. Very easy to do. All you got to do is click on this script right here. Window pops up. Make sure you have the smiley face on or else it won't work. All you got to do is press OK. And with one click of the mouse, all the trades close. Now, if you really want this, if you're interested, all you got to do is send me an email asking me for the close all script, and I'll give it to you for free. Save you the trouble of searching the web, trying to find it. Not a problem. Just send me an email and I'll give it to you for free. So I got in at this cursor. Didn't go much against me. Exactly the way I love trading. Doesn't always work out this way. But today was a good day of trading. And at this point I locked in 30 pips. And 30 pips on the pound Swiss paid $3,373. So let's move on to the pound yen. Run a check on this one. Drag and drop it up. This one here is nice and clear too, all the way from back here. Sell during the London, just waiting for the pullback and then get in. I got to the computer around this time, and when I looked at the meter, I knew right away that I wanted to sell it. And by the way, this meter alone, this is the one that paid me this amount and this number of pips. So as far as I'm concerned, this meter is worth a lot more than $250. As you can see, there's a lot more than $250 in the account. Remember, not all meters are the same. I went through about 12 of them before I found a good one. So remember, you should be trading with a meter. If you are not, well, no wonder why you are losing, because you're not putting the probabilities of trading successfully in your favor. with a meter, that will solve that problem. So I got in at this cursor and I closed it out. It looks like with 42 pips, and 42 pips on the pound yen paid $3,936. See how easy it is to be trading using the Heikin-Ashi trigger system with the meter. And I teach exactly how to trade this way. And as long as you follow the rules within the training videos, you should find success also. Let's go down to the pound dollar now. Let's drag and drop it up and see. Same situation, nothing changes. When the meter is screaming pound weakness, well, you know what to do. Got in at that cursor and I closed it out. Looks like with 44 pips. And the pound dollar, 44 pips, paid 4,300. And of course, I forgot to mention, all of these trades were a fantastic examples of a great way to trade. Very, very high success rate. All you got to do is look at the moving averages and the indicators down at the bottom. And I go over it in much greater detail within the training videos. Let's check out this pound New Zealand. No big surprise. Look at from way back here. Get in, could have made 225 pips. Would have been a great example of trading. Matter of fact, all the way from back here, Asian. Trading like with a day job. Come home during the Asian session right here, 5 p.m. You know you want to be selling. The HA trigger system's telling you to sell right at this point right here. Getting in, went against only 13 pips, and after that just tanked for well over 200 pips. Wake up in the morning, as you're sleeping through the night, wake up with a lot of pips. Great way to trade if you have a day job. You either can trade after work or in the morning, get up a couple hours before, pull the trigger, and then manage your trade at work, closing out the trade around 8 o'clock in the morning. Of course, it depends on what time you start work. I remember having a job where I started at 7 in the morning. But anyhow, you can get in the trade and manage it as you're getting ready for work, breakfast, or even at work, depending on what time you start. So, moving, let's see, pound New Zealand. Let's drag it up and see where I got in at. No big surprise. Meter was screaming to sell, and I sold it. Looks like, let's see, 62 pips. And 62 pips on the pound New Zealand paid $4,321. And moving on to the last pair, which is the pound Aussie. They were all, as soon as I see this, I know it's going to go down. And I'm just waiting for the meter to verify it. Trading is super simple, super easy. Once you know how to play, how to trade the flow of the market. By the way, this is the flow of the market. You know, market's going down, so pull back with blue candles. You know, pull back, move down, pull back, move down, pull back, and bingo. The better entry would have been here, but I was sleeping at 5 o'clock in the morning. So I got in. You know, you're not going to catch 100% of the move, but nothing wrong with catching. You know, if I can do 2 or 3 trades at 20 to 30 pips on each one, today's an exception of, obviously. The pound is extremely weak and it's dropping like crazy. And getting in here with about, let's go with 62 pips. And 62 pips on the pound Aussie paid $4,744. Now, pip total was 240 pips, and 240 pips paid $20,675. Another great day of trading. Actually, this is my best trading day of the whole year. I've never broke over 200 pips in one day of trading, and not to mention the totals down at the bottom. Look at this move going with the trend, and as soon as it turns blue, look at everything's saying, except for the AO, which would be lagging, but if you get in right here, could have easily grabbed another 44 pips. Very easy trading as long as you follow the rules and you know which way you should be going. Now this pullback right here is just representing the traders from the London, and now they're just cashing out. So I guess on this Friday they want to be cashing out before the London close. Anyhow, it's traders from all over the world, which dictates whether price is going to go up or down. And you have no control over that. All you can do is trade the market, trade the flow of the market, and trade what you see and what the HA trigger system is showing you. And before I forget, I'd like to ask you that if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that encourages me to continue doing these videos. So if your system is not producing like the HA trigger system, I suggest you get your hands on it, and to get some more information you can look either right here or look right below this video in the description. Now I'm running a little bit short of time as we're already at 12 minutes, so you can certainly look at all the different things that I teach in the training videos, and keep in mind that this is an advanced Heikin-Ashi trigger system with about 3.5 gigabytes of training, and of course I do charge $250 for it. So put on pause and you can read all this stuff. These are all things, once you learn and master doing all of these things, you're going to become a great trader. Now keep in mind, trading successfully, it does take time to learn, so you need a lot of chart time and you need a lot of education. And that is the reason why I do a lot of training videos, because without this you will fail. There's a lot of tips and tricks that traders just don't know, and these things are within the training videos. So all you got to do is get in touch with me either through Skype, or pick up the phone and call me, or by email. And of course if we do the Skype and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. Very easy to make the connection, just click on this link. And that just about wraps up this video. Good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.